Hey, have you ever had fish soup?
Well, everyone, my name is Kunji, and this is Cooking with Kunji. Today I'm doing something different. I'm making some fish soup, or fish tea as it's called in Jamaica. I have my mixture here. I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumplings. Got some white yam, usual suspects in the soup, some carrots, garlic, onions, scallions, and some peppers. I have with me the carcass of two yellowfin snappers, and really that's, usually you'll use the head of the fish in Jamaica to make the fish tea, but this here is going to be the whole carcass. We have all this extra flesh that's going to just come off in the making the soup. I'm making the soup today in my Ninja Foodi. If you haven't checked out my Ninja Foodi series, just look in the description below. I'm gonna drop the link to my entire Ninja Foodi playlist, so go ahead and check that out. I've never made a soup in the Foodi before, so this is gonna be my first time, and of course that review on the Ninja Foodi is coming right up. All right, stay tuned and see how I make this. Make a run of it. For my soup today, I have some white yam, and you can use any type of yam you want to use. You can use potatoes if you want as your starch, but today this is what I'm using, some white yams. I don't have any potatoes, and I got some carrots. That's always great in soups. I have my scallions, some great Caribbean flavor right there. Also have my allspice, which I can't cook anything without allspice. It just, it doesn't work. To flavor my soup, I have the cock soup mix, and there's also a fish soup mix, but I prefer the flavor of the cock soup mix over any one of the soup mixes that's from Jamaica. Here in the US, you can find this in the international section of Walmart, Publix, and sometimes Aldi. So, it's not that hard to get, or your Caribbean store. I do have my mixture here to make some dumplings. Can't have soup without dumplings. So we're gonna do that. Right now my fish is just starting to break down, and that's what's going to start to make the main stock. So if you're not a fan of the head of the fish or the bones, you can use the fillet of the fish to make the soup. It doesn't really make a difference. I'm just doing it this way because traditionally this is how I know how to do it, but any fish is gonna be good. I'm gonna drop a habanero pepper just in there, and this is gonna be in there for the entire cook. I'm not gonna make a hole in it, and usually, it's not gonna make it too hot if you don't break the pepper. So that spicy flavor is just gonna slowly infuse into the cooking. All right, right now I'm gonna put my yam and carrots in and let that start cook with the fish. want to add your soup mix, I like to use this method that I'm about to do because it ensures that none of the seasoning that's in here gets clumped together and doesn't fully dissolve into the dish that I'm making. Get it in here, just give it a little stir. So I fully dissolve this. Then I'll get it in there. That also keeps the pot boiling since I'm just putting hot water into the hot water. Give it a little stir. Beautiful color there. It's only gonna get better. So right now, my fish soup, fish tea is done, and I already turned the foodi off. This was about a 30-minute cook, real simple. Once you put all the ingredients in, you're just gonna let it simmer and let it just do its thing. And right now we're about to plate it. Let you look at this beautiful work of art. So right now my soup is done and it's got some really good flavors. This took us about 30 minutes to bring this whole dish together. I have the fish head and skeleton that had a little bit of meat on it. That's off of Fillet. I got some dumplings, yams, carrots, and some seasoning. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. And remember, if you haven't seen my Ninja Foodie series, I'm going to link that entire playlist down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.